Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to enter a bounce check in QuickBooks Desktop. So first of all, let's use the record bounce check, which is we will open these steps here so you can follow along. Uh, so start by going to the customers menu and then select customer center. Next, click on the transaction tab and choose receipt payments. Here, double click on the payment that you want to make, mark as NSF or bounce. This opens the receipt payments window. Once on the main ribbon, click the record bounce check icon. And note that this option is only available in single user mode and the check shouldn't be waiting to clear in the deposited funds account. Now in the manage bounce check window, you will see several fields. You can enter the bank fee, date, select the expense account for that fee, and if you are charging a customer a fee, you can enter that here too. Now, QuickBooks will show you a summary of the actions like which invoices will be marked as unpaid, what fees will be deducted, and if any new invoices will be created for the customer's fee. And once you review everything, click Finish to complete the process. Your bounce check will be recorded and the related invoice will be marked unpaid. You can also manually record bounce check. Just follow the steps here and to record bounce check. Let me quickly show you how it works. So you first need to create an income account and an item for making bad checks. So go to the chart of accounts and create a new income for bounce check. And next create an item for check charge, set the time to other charge, and make sure the account is linked to bounce check. Leave the amount at $0. So now go to the company menu, select make general entries and reverse the original payment by debiting your account receivable for the bounce check. In the journal entry, include a memo like bounce check 123 and a service and the credit the bank account where the original deposit was made. Now go to reports menu, select customers and receivables and then customer balance detail. Find the original payment and switch it to the journal entry you just created. If you need to resend the open invoice to the customer, go to the original invoice and the red check charge and click the email icon to send it. This is how it will look. And if one more question on this, so to give this article a quick read, that's the official article, and you'll hopefully can follow along. Is it? That's all there is to it, and I'll see you in the next.